Guys, we have to go check something out in the garden here before the freeze. Freeze is going to be coming in I think 2 or 3 more days. Will the abutilon still be blooming after the freeze? Anyway, we'll show you some of this stuff after the freeze, or actually during the freeze. And you know, it takes a while for some damage to actually show up after a bad freeze. So anyway, let's just go look at something here out in our farthest driveway. The yuccas are sending up flower spikes. So what do you think? Leave your comments below on this too. Do you think the flower spikes will be affected by the cold weather? There we go. Yucca gloriosa there. We got a lot of yuccas, man. A lot of yuccas up our driveway. These I all propagated myself, cuttings. And here, do you think these will be damaged by the cold? Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. I know the answer already, right? So just let me know what you guys think, and then we'll review this after the freeze has come and gone, because Alaska, she's opening up her doors and letting some cold air down. I'm going to slide down here over the southern Gulf Islands, and trust me, I watch the weather like a hawk. I love weather just the way I do palm trees and exotic plants, and I always have. So it's nothing new to me that when we do get a freeze, it does happen here. We are in Canada. Just a friendly reminder, we do live in the Great North. We're not in the tropics. That's a cordyline there, been there 20 years, easily growing in the rock. And I get a lot of people messaging me, Joe, you know there's a freeze coming. I know all about it, man, trust me. I know all about it. I probably knew about it maybe before you guys did. So there we go, guys. Let me know if these flowers will survive or not, these flower spikes on these yucca. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel if you like palmy and weathery things. Cheers.